Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can color your cakes on Cake Off. So, for instance, here's the cake shape that I chose. Select design and select the tier that you want to edit. So, for instance, I only have one tier, so I'll just select tier 1. Select this one to color your cake. So, for instance, I want the cake to be, I don't know, maple flavored. Then you're going to select the kind of filling you want, or even without filling like this. I'll just choose this. Then to color it like the color you want, select the gear icon. Then you're going to just go to either the bottom, the filling, or the top. And you're going to select the color. The theme is currently orange glow, so I'm just going to select this orange glow color. Same with the bottom. And for the filling, I'll do like a lighter orange maybe. You can also use the color wheel, and you can also use the colors that you've already used. And that's how you can change your cake color on Cake Off. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.